Hello everyone, I am Lakshya Arora, the Management and PR Coordinator at GDC JIT Sector 62, and today I am going to cover the engineering data in Google Cloud Challenge Lab. So without making you wait any further, let's start today's session. Now we have got the credentials, so we'll click on Open Google Console. Now we will enter the email and password. After this, after reading all the terms and conditions, we will accept. Now we'll click on agree and continue. After this, I will click on activate Cloud Shell, continue. So till then we will find here the term BigQuery. Yes, here it is. Now our Cloud Shell is also activated. Done. Now moving to the lab. In this lab, we have three tasks, three small tasks. The task one. As you all know that we have already created a dataset taxi rights, and we have also imported the data into the table historical taxi rights raw. Now in this task, we have to clean our data and make a copy of that data into a table. So let's do it. Make a query. We'll click on compose new query. After this, we will write a piece of code. Now what it is doing, it is cleaning our data and is making a copy available to us into a new table. Now that query will take some time, around 30 seconds to complete. Now see that this statement created a new table. Now we have cleaned our data and copied that data to make a new table. We have successfully completed our task one, which was to clean our data and make a copy of that data available to us. So I will click on check my progress. Yes, task one completed. Now task two. As we have already made that data available to us in a table in task one, now what we have to do in this task, we have to create a model. What that model will do in future, that will predict the fare amounts. So again, we have to create a new query. We will write a piece of code which is going. Now see, we have made a new table. Now this statement will create a new model. So successfully we have created a new model. So we can click on check my progress. So this task is completed, which was to create a model. Now we have to do our last task, which is task 3. Now what we have to do in this task, as in task 2, we have created a model. Now using that model, we will predict the amount and store that predicted amount in a table whose name will be 2015 underscore fare underscore amount underscore predictions. So let's again create a new query, compose new query. Now this piece of code will create a new table which stores the predicted amount. So we can see that this statement created a new table named Quick Labs GCP. So we have also successfully created a new table. So yes, all the three tasks are completed. Now with this, we have completed our challenge lab of engineer data in Google Cloud. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. And thank you so much for your patience.